Hey everyone, so I finally got my hands on the LG 34-inch Ultragear WQHD OLED curved gaming monitor, and I have to say, it's absolutely phenomenal. If you're thinking about picking one up, make sure to check the Amazon link in the description below to get the cheapest price and discount on it. This monitor has completely changed my entire digital experience, not just my gaming, and I seriously can't recommend it enough. Here's a quick rundown of why I love it so much for both work and play. Breathtaking picture quality and immersion first off. Let's talk about the visuals because that's the main draw here. The moment you turn it on, you'll be blown away by the OLED picture. The difference is night and day compared to other monitors I've used. Text is super crisp. Photos look incredibly realistic and the colors just pop off the screen. When I'm watching movies or videos, the perfect blacks that only OLED can deliver make the experience feel truly cinematic. There's no grayish haze in dark scenes, just pure, deep black. The 800R curvature is really immersive. It wraps around your field of vision, which is great for gaming, but it also makes working a much more focused experience. It feels natural and reduces eye strain because the edges of the screen are brought closer to you. Blazing fast gaming performance for gaming. Speed is everything, and this monitor delivers. The 240Hz refresh rate and a near instantaneous 0.03 milliseconds response time in motion is incredibly smooth. In fast-paced shooters or racing games, the action is always sharp and clear with zero motion blur. It genuinely feels like competitive edge. IT also works seamlessly with both NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards to eliminate screen tearing, which means a buttery smooth, uninterrupted gaming session every single time. Not a productivity powerhouse now. You might think a gaming monitor is only for play, but this is a fantastic productivity monitor too. The WQHD resolution, 3440 by 1440, gives you so much screen real estate. I can easily have 3 or 4 windows open side by side without them feeling cramped. For my work, which involves a lot of coding and graphic design, this widescreen format is a lifesaver. I can have my main project open, a browser for research, and my communication apps all visible at once. The addition of the USB Type-C port with 65W power delivery is a huge convenience. I just plug my work laptop in with one single cable, and it handles the display's signal, data transfer, and even charges the laptop simultaneously. It makes switching from my personal PC to my work setup a breeze. Final thoughts overall, this is an absolute game changer. The move to an OLED panel enhances everything you do, whether you're working on a detailed spreadsheet, editing a video, or diving into an intense game. It's a premium product, but it's 100% worth the investment for the incredible experience you get.